Hey guys, this is Studio Tweaks, and today I'm going to make a review of a great tweak called Overboard. And what it does is that when you press your home button, there'll be a page here which previews all your Springboard pages, so you can quickly jump between pages like this. And this is very useful and recommended if you have got many applications and like 7, 8, 9 pages. And you can also activate this tweak by tap the Overboard application, and also by doing like this. And you can go to settings and scroll down and find Overboard, and from there you can choose what way or which ways you want to use to activate this tweak and other great stuff. So this is Overboard, and here is how to get it. Okay, so while Cydia loads, I'm just going to talk a little bit about this app. And it's a paid application on Cydia, and if you want to pay for it, I'm not stopping you, but today I'm going to show you how to get it for free. And if you want to pay for it, it is in the ModMyi source, and just simply search for Overboard and install it, buy it. And to get it for free, you must go to Manage and Sources and edit a source. There is a lot of sources that has got the free version of Overboard. One of them is the Be Your iPhone repo, and one is the Podulo.us. And I will have the sources in the description. So if you try to Be Your iPhone source and install Overboard and it doesn't work, then go to then add the Podulo source, and if that doesn't work, try the next source. So when you have added the source, I'm just going to go to the Be Your iPhone repo, scroll down, find Overboard, here it is, and just install it. And there's a green mark here, which means that I have already done so, but go to tap on it and go to install and confirm. And after you have done that, it will tell you to restart your Springboard. So there will be a tab saying that, so just tap that, and this Springboard will restart. And after that, you will have the Overboard tweak. And like I said at the beginning of this video, you can apply a few mods of this app in the settings by simply go to settings and find Overboard, and from there you can apply different modifications. And this is the Overboard tweak. Thank you for watching.